Part 2. Okay, yung pagkain na yan. Okay, nagkagaya na naman. Medyo naayos na. Kaso nga lang, pag na ganun nga, medyo mahira. Yung si Jeng at ako, ganyan na kami. Tintik na Jeng, kapapangit. Kami ni Joy, ganito. Kami ni Missy, ganito. Si Missy, si Mia. AKA Mia Missy. Just for then, Shiba Missy. Shiba Joy is Shiba Joy. Shiba Princess is different. Shiba and Princess is Zap. Zap. Okay, and then Shiba, the best one Shiba is Shiba and Nicole. Wow. It's like this. Shiba Nicole. It's so sikip. Yung sikip. Masikip. Yung masikip. Tight. We are like this together. She's Nefanta Chang Kanwi. Nefanta Kanwi. That's who she is. I'm the only shoe right now, but really, it's me Bitaranta shoe. She Bitaranta Koske Koshi shoe. Shoe. Yeah, it's shoe. Somebody is correcting. We are the best. Yes. Yeah, there we go. Andrea is like yung ba yun pero the Korean Wong now I have to go now. You know why? The cups are here. Okay, now let's pray. Lord, hang tight, Shoshi Shabalada. I love you so much. I'm so sorry for everything. This me Nefantok Rich Morris. Be my Rich Morris Secrets. I gotta go now. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you. Bye. 12.